Ladies, if you're interested in awakening your femininity, awakening your womanliness, awakening sensually and spiritually, we have a wonderful weekend on the 18th and 19th of September called Awakening Shakti. We ran one in March and it was really very special. During this weekend, we will explore a lot of topics related to intimacy and to Eros, to sensuality. We will look into this very important relationship between the heart and the yoni, and we will learn how they mirror each other and what this means for us as women. We will learn why and how to use a yoni egg for awakening the power of the yoni. We will explore different forms of Shakti dance for awakening femininity very powerfully. We've also invited a couple of men. They are very advanced or experienced tantric practitioners and teachers, and they will share with us some insights into the masculine nature, the man's role in Eros, plus a lot more tantric secrets for deepening intimacy, how to prepare for lovemaking, how we can overcome, let go of any inhibitions, and yeah, much more. So we hope that you can join us, and we really look forward to being together in this very sacred and supportive space for women.